I'm going to find out about my family story. My mom's from Ireland and my dad's from America. Well, I don't know.
Mum, I think she's from Aleppo in Syria.
China?
My mum was born in Australia.
New Zealand?
I just know that my grandma's from Chinese.
I don't know what else.
I know that one set of grandparents migrated to Syria on a donkey on a mountain somewhere.
I grew up in the South Island and it's not as rich in culture as the North, but I'd like to know more. I'd like to go home and take the kids to New Zealand and go home and do,
And have some suspicious, but no, I'm really excited.
It's unlikely you're going to turn out 90% African.
Totally, right? Yeah, exactly. Am I African, Xavier?
No.
The way Lucy's looking at me, I'm not sure now.
A power.
8% German.
Ah.
England, 10. Polynesia, 24%.
yeah, I like that I can say now, quarter of Maori.
Yeah.
Because I don't have those features.
You're 4% Norwegian.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
8.
8% European Jewish.
Are you serious?
And...
1% Italian!
Wow! That I did not know.
Iran and Persia, 2%.
Oh my God, they're the most beautiful people in the world, the Persians. That's amazing.
Norway, 1%.
Norway, 1%.
And 2% French.
2% French.
Wow, that's hilarious.
Germany, 2.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
It's a good mix.
So quite a mix.
Quite happy with that.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have guessed that. If Mum's from some of these places,
Then I'm probably from somewhere.
where are you from?
Australia.
This is my daughter Jade. She's Australian. She follows the wallabies, she follows the waratahs. But for me, she loves the haka.
Yes, same.
And every
You like
time
it
it's
too, eh?
performed, pokes her tongue at me, only when I'm angry with her.
A pukana.
A pukana.
The reason I've asked Jade to come is because Jade's got something really interesting to tell us, haven't you?
So after the DNA was taken, we found out that you two are cousins.
Who?
You two.
How? Oh, really? Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna call my mum.
That means that you two are cousins as well.
It's your cousin Jay. We've got some family here.
You're fourth cousins. So that means great, great, great grandparent in common. So this is your whakapapa.
Come on, let's have a cuddle. Get in there, come on, all of us.
Did you like finding out that you were maybe a bit Korean and maybe a bit Norwegian?
Yeah. It's exciting and interesting to find out.
And you know what, Moya, now you'll have more interest in those countries because you actually have a connection. So if you ever go to Norway or ever go to Korea, you'll actually understand that part of you is actually from that country, which is amazing. Yeah, and here we are in Bronte, Australia. You've got all these connections to other parts of the world.